Smart Tutorials. Make an airplane. Materials: stiff felt, soft felt, craft stick for applying glue, and scissors. Step 1. Download and print out the pattern. Link is provided on this slide and will be in the YouTube description box below. Step 2. Cut out the pattern templates. It helps to pin the paper templates to the felt, or you can just hold them in place and cut around. Make sure to mark the lines with a pen or pencil for the airplane body. Step 3. Cut out the felt pieces. To make the slots, you can fold the felt slightly to start the cut, or just poke the tip of the scissors through. Be sure to cut the notches on the airplane wings. Step 4. Glue the eye and nose pieces together, 2 sets of each. Then glue them to the 2 face pieces. Be sure that one face points to the left and one points to the right. You can use the craft stick to spread the glue. Step 5. Glue the finished faces to the plane body, 1 on each side, and glue the hearts on the body too. Step 6. Fit the wing and tail pieces into the slots on the plane body and push to the center. Slide forward a little at the notches to secure in place. Step 7. You're ready to fly. Additional resources: NYC Well, nycwell.cityofnewyork.us, 1-888-692-9355, or text WELL, WELL, to 65173. Safe Horizon, safehorizon.org, 1-800-621-4673. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms.